Did you know that you can download an Excel spreadsheet of your results from Teams for one particular assignment or for all of the assignments you have assigned to the class? Let me show you how. So here I am in my social studies demo team. I'm in the general channel and I'm in the assignments tab. Let's start by downloading an Excel spreadsheet for one particular assignment. So I'm going to click on that Chapter 5 review questions here at the very bottom. And then I'm going to select Review. Notice in the top right corner, it says Export to Excel. I'm going to click on that link. And notice that it says that this sheet was saved to my Downloads folder. So I'll bring up my Downloads folder. And here we go. I'll just double click on it. And if I expand these columns, I can see the following information. I can see the student's first name, last name, their email address, what their score was, and what the total points were, so what the assignment was out of. Keep in mind that I can always go File and Save and move this into my OneDrive, maybe into an assessment or grading folder. Let me close this sheet. Let's go back to that assignment list. So I'll click the back button here and we'll click back one more time. And here I am back in the assignments tab. Now, as I mentioned, I can generate an Excel spreadsheet that will show me the results of all of these assignments. To do so, I simply click the review button here. And once again, I'll click that link to export to Excel. That document will be saved to my Downloads folder. So I'll bring that up. And let's open that sheet. So again, if I expand the columns, I can see the student's first name, last name, email address, and each of the assignments, what their score was, what the total points were. Score, total points. Score, total points, and so on and so forth. And again, you can always go File, Save As, and save this sheet in a grading or assessment folder.